This smart lock stands out with its diverse access options, including opening via Apple Watch, iPhone, fingerprint, voice command, and near-field communication card, even when your devices are out of power. A key feature is the ability to remotely grant access after viewing the visitor at your door, making it convenient for letting in friends or family members when you're away. You can also integrate it into your smart home ecosystem and set personalized welcome scenarios. Powered by 4 AA batteries with a USB-C emergency charging option, it offers up to 6 months of battery life. Govee's smart home devices are popular for their versatile lighting solutions, including this sleek and compact floor lamp. Once you download the app, you can fully customize the lighting with 16 million colors, ranging from 2200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin to achieve the perfect ambiance. It offers over 64 scene modes, from dynamic to soothing to fit any occasion. The music sync mode, where colors dance to the beat, is particularly fun. If you do not find a mode you like, the do-it-yourself feature allows you to create custom lighting effects and share them with the community. Voice control, via Alexa and Google Assistant, enhances convenience. Standing at nearly 5 feet tall, it is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. For those who miss the cozy feel of camping nights, this home s'mores maker is a must-have. Simply plug it in, and the electric flameless heater does the rest, with no complicated setup required. It includes 2 stainless steel forks for safe roasting and 4 compartment trays for convenient ingredient sharing. The sturdy base and easy to disassemble trays make cleanup a breeze. Now, you can enjoy the fun of making s'mores indoors, bringing a touch of campfire nostalgia to your home. This speaker is an excellent companion for work or outdoor activities. It delivers stereo sound with a 50-watt subwoofer and 2 15-watt tweeters, balanced by smart crossover technology for clear audio. With the PartyCast 2.0 feature, you can pair over 100 speakers for a truly immersive experience. The Boom 2 is waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor use, and features built-in lights to enhance the ambiance. Its large battery offers up to 24 hours of playtime and can also charge your phone, making it a versatile and practical device. The Timekettle X1 translator is a standout device for breaking language barriers. Unlike other options, it includes earbuds for instant conversations, eliminating the need for extra apps or complicated setups. Simply share the earbuds with your conversation partner, and the device automatically detects speech, enabling hands-free communication. It also features a unique one-dial option for real-time cross-language calls. For group conversations, the X1 can create a virtual room supporting up to 20 participants and 5 languages simultaneously. While its $700 price may seem high, the X1's ability to accommodate multiple users and languages far surpasses other devices limited to 2 participants or single language translations. This makes it a worthwhile investment for those who need versatile and comprehensive translation capabilities. A magnetic ring holder can make frequent smartphone use more convenient. This model attaches securely to the back of your phone and features a 360-degree rotatable ring grip, allowing you to adjust it to any angle, whether vertical or horizontal. You can also elevate your phone slightly for taking selfies or watching tutorials. When not in use, the ring stand folds flat, making it easy to slip your phone into your jeans pocket. The kickstand function doubles as a ring holder for extra security on the go and can be used to hang your phone for hands-free FaceTime calls. Additionally, it supports wireless charging and is compatible with other MagSafe devices and accessories.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing.